that's how you play. This is my first time playing. You couldn't tell. You know, this reminds me of another game I play on this channel. Make sure to go watch those videos, by the way. And it's stuck. Oh. If you want to see some more I Am a Cat VR content, then just make sure to like and subscribe for more I Am a Cat, because I am not a cat. Fish. Nom nom nom. Ew, it's not even cooked. Anyways, if y'all want some more I'm a Cat VR content, then subscribe, honestly. If this does well, and this hits at least 10 likes, I will post more I Am a Cat content. Let's get right into it. Make sure I'm in my boundary. I'm a cat. I am not a cat in real life, but I'm a cat in VR. I'm a fancy cat. I have a watch. Ooh, I wonder what I can do with this. Wait, hold up. Oh, that's cool. Okay, how do I? Oh, there we go. See, I ain't got time for that. I'm going to have some fun, honestly. By the way, if you see me do anything in here, do not do this in real life. I do not know how to climb it. I don't think it taught me how to climb that very well. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to climb. Uh-oh.
Open here.
Uh-oh. Kitty must fight
You're
back.
good for me.
Kitty must fight back. Kitty has been threatened. Stab! Don't do this in real life. This is just a video game. I'm allowed to do this. Now you're gonna be my dinner. What do I need more? Fork? Yeah, I'm gonna get the fork. Come here, Grandma. Come here, Grandma. I'm gonna eat you like a 5-star meal. Oh my God, what did I do to Grandma? Steal her dentures. Open up. Just steal your dentures. Scratch. Oh. Uh-oh. Cat stole Granny dentures. Run. I can't jump. I can't jump. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm just a kitty cat. Oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Wait, hold on. Isn't that cat abuse? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just continue. Okay, that's abuse. What did I even do this time? What did I do? Could someone explain to me what I did this time?
You're getting far from me.
Hold up. Spell wallet VR. Did I do this wrong? Wall. Make sure to subscribe to Wallet VR, guys, for more awesome content like this. Anyways, hopefully she stopped trying to hit me with a frying pan. This kitty does not. Oh, my hand's stuck. Kitty chilling. Just a peaceful cat. Oh, it feels like playing Gorilla Tag all over again. Hi, Granny. Go up here. Go up here. Nope. Okay. Aw, man. I was hoping it was like gonna shoot. I did not expect me to actually be able to pop that.
I'm ready. I'm going to me.
Knock everything over. We're not even gonna start the question why there's a fish there. Right in the poop. Persona! These things. Uh-oh. I accidentally stuck it in my mouth. Okay, hold on. No, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Become a cat. Do what cats do best. Climb. Alright guys, after this we're gonna probably get the fish and cook it. We're gonna get some cooked fish. Some cooked fish are good in the game right now. Because I do not like fish in real life. You know what? Leave a like down below if you like fish. And tell me if you don't like fish in the comments. Whatever comment has the most I like fish or don't like fish will get tagged. So the top comment, if it says I don't like fish or it says I do like fish, will get comment. And if top get pinned. And if some person says I like it sometimes and I don't, some other times I'm going to lose it. Let's get back to the video playing. Alright, so first we're going to grab this, put this on the stove, grab the fish, put it in the pan, turn this on. Oh, come on, I'm a cat. Cats climb. Right, now that's cooking. Let's go taste Granny. Let's taste Granny. Let's taste Granny. Don't do this one. Where's my taser go? Don't do this in real life, guys. Tasing. Don't tase your granny. I do not support tasing grannies. Gotcha. Revenge! Never hit me with a frying pan again. Revenge! 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 Never hit me with a frying pan! Come here, Granny. Uh-oh. Lost it. Oh, it's in my mouth. There it is. Take it a bit more. She just can't get up. Never. Tase me. What if I was to just... Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Smack tensions out your mouth. Don't tase me again. Oh, lazy, I'm a kitty cat. Go, run. Uh-oh. Who's better? Me or you? Me or you? Come on. Yeah, revenge. Yeah. No, never try and hit me. Think Uh-oh. Come on, watch. No! Alright, that's enough for that. Let's go cook some fish. I don't like fish in real life. Let's cook some fish in the game. I am pro. Parkour. Considering I play Gorilla Tag, this should be no problem. Cook a good old fish fillet. Where's my hand? Uh-oh. If y'all can't see it either, I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but on my screen,